Hiding and unhiding drawings on a TradingView chart is a simple way to clear the screen without removing your analysis. If the chart is crowded with trend lines, levels, notes, or marked up zones, you can temporarily hide those drawings, focus on price more clearly, and then bring everything back when you need it. This is useful because deleting and hiding are not the same thing. When you hide drawings, you are not removing the work you have already done. You are only changing what is visible on the chart at that moment. That makes it easier to switch between a clean view of price action and a fully marked up chart without rebuilding your analysis. It is especially helpful when you want to check whether the market still looks clear without your existing lines and annotations influencing the view. In one moment, you can study raw price movement. In the next, you can restore your drawings and see how that movement relates to your levels, zones, or structure. This can also help when using different chart intervals. A chart may look clean on a higher time frame, but become too busy on a lower one once all drawings are visible. Managing visibility gives you more control over how much information appears on screen, which makes the chart easier to read. In practice, hiding and unhiding drawings is about organization. It helps reduce clutter, keeps your workflow cleaner, and lets you move between analysis and price observation without losing the work already on the chart.